Here is how you can remove parental controls on Epic Games. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can remove parental control settings on Epic Games. So let's start. First of all, open any browser. Then after, search for Epic Games and open its official website. After you open the official website, make sure you are logged into your account. Then after, go to this profile-like icon on the top and then click on account. After you enter the settings page, you will find this parental control options on the left hand side. Click on it. Then after, enter the PIN and open parental controls. After you open parental controls, in order to remove it, make sure this option is turned off. Furthermore, make sure this slider is on unrated. After that, go to the top and select social permissions. Now inside social permissions, make sure this option is disabled. Then after, select everybody in these options. As you finish that, all the parental control settings should be removed and you won't need to enter your PIN in order to play games in Epic Games. So in this way you can remove parental controls in Epic Games. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.